If you've ever opened Google Chrome and seen the message that your profile cannot be used because of a newer version of Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step using two safe methods. The first method is the quickest and recommended fix because it removes only the corrupted file causing the problem. And if that doesn't work, I'll show you a second method that resets your default Chrome profile without affecting the rest of your system. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, make sure Google Chrome is completely closed. This is important because the fix will not work properly if Chrome is still running in the background. If needed, close every Chrome window and then check your system tray to make sure it is fully exited. Now press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local app data /Google /Chrome /user data / and then press enter. This will take you directly to the folder where Chrome stores your user profile data. Inside this folder, look for the folder named default. On some computers, it may be a different profile folder if you use multiple Chrome profiles, but the main one is usually default. Open that folder and scroll through the files until you find one called web data. This file is often the source of the version mismatch error. Right-click the web data file and choose delete. Don't worry, you are not deleting your entire browser profile. You are only removing the corrupted database file that is preventing Chrome from opening correctly. This is why this method is the recommended first step. Once the file is deleted, close the folder and relaunch Google Chrome. In many cases, Chrome should now open normally without showing the profile error. If everything works, you're done. If the error still appears, don't panic. We can try the second method, which resets your default Chrome profile. This is a little more drastic, but it can fix profile corruption that the first method can't repair. To do that, close all Chrome windows again. Then press the Windows key and R one more time. Type %local app data /Google /Chrome / and press enter. This time, you need to find the user data folder itself. Right-click the user data folder and select rename. Change the name to user data old. This tells Chrome to stop using the damaged profile folder and create a fresh one instead. Now open Chrome again. When Chrome launches, it will automatically generate a brand new working profile folder. This usually clears the error and lets you sign back in and continue using the browser normally. After Chrome opens successfully, you can go back later and copy over anything you need from the old profile if necessary. But in most cases, the new profile will be enough to get everything working again. So to recap, the first and best fix is deleting the corrupted web data file inside your Chrome profile folder. If that doesn't solve the issue, rename the user data folder so Chrome can create a clean profile from scratch. These two methods solve the error for most users and are completely manageable even if you're not very technical. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows and Chrome troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.